What's up, guys? It's April 29th, 2024. Pretty nice day in the markets. Very scalpy. Went sideways. Then had a breakout with a big second leg into the EMA. And then two-legged pullback that actually closed. It closed on the open. Wow. I did not catch that as it happened. So I'm going to do bar by bar analysis. It's a range day, so. But when I do bar by bar analysis, the goal is to identify where the buyers and sellers are and just build off the market cycle and leg one, leg twos as we talk. Big gap up, bar one is continuation. That's good for the bulls. We're breaking above yesterday's high, so bulls want to keep buying and bears want to short because we were range bound. So if we're above the high, bears could be looking short, and that's what they did with bar two. At the bar two, I think there's more sellers. Here we can see that the bulls would want to keep the market above yesterday's high, but bar three breaks right below. Bears got the breakout. I think that's 1-to-1. Yeah, 1-to-1. Then I think there's more buyers on the EMA because we've been in a bull trend for a couple of days now. So every time the market came back to the EMA yesterday, it went for a little bit higher. EMA. This one didn't make a new high. That's bearish price action, but I think as bar three sells off into the EMA, there's more buyers. Bar four looks like they try and buy. Maybe bears are taking profits. Bar five looks like leg two for the bears. So leg one, pull back leg two. Second leg trap into the EMA. And bar six looks like a reversal. Not the best reversal because I didn't break the high of bar five. But bulls are still buying the EMA and they go for two legs higher. Bar seven is good follow through, but it's a range bar. It closed at the 50% level. Bar nine is another range bar with a bull body. The lows are trending, so we have bulls are buying lows and highs. We're getting trending highs too. Bar 9 is a good bull body. It's a trend bar, and then the market goes sideways. Bar 10 is bad for the bulls, but it's also the minimum they need is not a bear body. Bar 11 is the first trend line break. So if the bulls can continue, that's going to be the start of leg two for me. Looks like an expanding triangle somewhat right here. And an inside bar of bar 12. And it breaks out. Try and make a new high. It fails, so there's a small sell zone around here. Bar 13 sells off, so there are more sellers sitting at the highs. So first 6 bars of the day are range bound. First 12 bars of the day are range bound. Bar 13, market sells off. I thought this looked like a pretty nice double top. When I saw this, I kind of expected this price action to happen, but it didn't. Bar 15, bulls are still buying the EMA. Bears could be taking profits. Bar 16 sells off into the EMA. Bar 17 and 18 is a pullback, testing the highs of bar 16. It's a really weak bear channel spike. So if this was a spike and this was a pullback, bar 18 is breaking the high of bar 17, so that starts the leg two. And then we have another break with bar 22, breaks the high of bar 20, so that starts the leg three, and it sells off for fractal two legs here. So bar 23 is a break below the EMA. 3 pushes down, so it's a wedge bottom. 50% of the time, I believe these can break out. So 50% of the time it can sell, and then 50% of the time it can reverse. I have to look into that. I can't remember exactly, but there's some Alberg statistic there. Bar 25, bearish breakout of a wedge here. There's a lot of buying pressure. Bars 16, 20, and 23 all have bullish buying pressure, so that's not good for the bears. There could be more buyers sitting around here and sitting around here. Bar 26 looks like good follow through, but it's around the lows, and it kind of turns into a failed breakout with bar 27. Bulls buy the low of the day put in by bar 3. So let's see if it's the exact low here. So, okay, hold on. The bar 3 low is 5137. Bar 26 low is 5136.5. So bar 26 traded 2 ticks lower than bar 3 and it reversed, so that's a failed breakout. Bulls go for a few legs higher. Bar 27 is a strong bar. 3-bar reversal possibly. So sell off and then reverses. That's a doji on the 15-minute time frame. 24, 25. Actually, it's a 2-bar reversal. So on the 15-minute time frame, this should be 1 bar. And then so that's 1 bar on the 15-minute time frame, and then the next bar will be a kind of like a doji with a line going through the middle of it, like this. Something. Let's check. Yeah. So do you see? I was a little bit off. There's a sell. Let me just delete this. So yeah, do you see how I said it would be like a line, like in a doji? There's that line. There's the sell. It's kind of off by a few bars. So yeah, we'll start to reverse to get a higher low. Bar 28 is testing the midpoint of bar 27. It looks like there's more buyers now. Bar 29 starts to make the market look like a bull flag, and bar 30 is a breakout above the EMA. Bar 31 is good follow through. Bar 32 is also good follow through. However, this is actually the highs are trending. Bar 32's high is higher than bar 31, and the lows are trending, so that's good. So we have trending lows and trending highs. Bar 35 is the first break of this micro channel that creates a leg 2. Bar 36 and 37 end up selling off into the EMA. Bar 36 is an outside bar. Sometimes outside bars have range bound tendencies. Bar 37 is still a bull body, so a lower. The low is trending, the high is high. Bar 38, so we're right here right now. Bullish try and buy above, and it reverses down, closing here. Bar 39, test the EMA and bounces, and bears get a small micro channel into the EMA. Looks like there's about 3-4 pushes down here, like 1, 2, and 3. That's a fractal wedge. That's bar 44, pin bar. Bar 45 looks like bulls are starting to buy the EMA again. It's really sideways price action. There is a little bit of breakout, but there's a lot more overlap. So it's buy low, sell high. It's a bull channel right here. Then all bull channels eventually get a bearish breakout. All bear channels eventually get a bullish breakout. So bar 46. Follow through for bar 45 and bar 47 breaking out above the EMA. That looks like a pretty strong buy. Let's see if they get 1-to-1. Bulls who bought bar 47. They do get 1-to-1, so that's a good scalp right there for bar 47. You get filled on bar 48, maybe 49, depending where you put your order. Market goes sideways. I think it's good to get out of longs here because we're trading around this last sell, and then it sells off. Yeah, the bears get the breakout. Bar 51 looks like the market tried to come up and it traded lower, so that's an outside bar after a couple legs higher, leg 1, pullback leg 2. So there's leg 1, pullback leg 2 here. That's a leg 2 trap, and there's a leg 1, pullback leg 2 right there. That's a fractal because 36 breaks the low, or 35, I mean, breaks the low of 34. So that's the new trend, or new leg, excuse me. Bar 54. So now we're back over here. Bar 54. Bears try and get the breakout, but they get bad close. Still, they close below the EMA, and they close a couple ticks below yesterday's high, so that's good. Bar 56 is actually a bull body, not close. It's closing on its high, right below bar 55. Would be better if that was a bear body for the bears, but this was kind of shaping up to be a bull flag. Bar 56 is the first trend line. It takes out the higher high, so this could be a leg 1, pullback leg 2. Because they don't get all bar 58, 59, and 60 all have their highs are all trending lower and their lows are all trending lower. Bar 60 looks like a sell vacuum into the EMA, but bulls ended up keeping a gap open temporarily. Bar 62, good follow through for the bears with bar 61. However, bar 60 is bad, ends up being a 2-legged pullback into the EMA, testing the high of bar 60, immediately finds sellers and breaks lower quickly. Bar 67 is really strong breakout. Well, it's not really strong. It's a sell vacuum. This is the first touch of the EMA on a higher time frame after breakout. So if we're looking at the 45-minute chart, we break out. We've been trending above it. This is the first touch, so that would be a buy. Bar 49, because this is the first gap bar, right? Because there's a gap put in right here. That's the first gap bar breaking below the EMA. Bar 69, reversal. Not closing on its high, but it is closing. That's not good for the bears at all. They want to see follow through right away and get that tail closed. Bar 69 is good follow through for the bulls. Looks like they start to go for a pullback. I wasn't trading this, but I was looking at the 50% level. I wanted to see what happened here. So I had my thing like that. Pull it out. So bar 69, 68, 69, 66, 68, 69, 70, 71. 71 races up to the 50% level and sells off. 72 does something similar, but ends up being an outside bar. We're still getting all trending lows and trending highs, so that's still a bullish channel. Could be a pullback within the EMA. 73 is a good looking strong bar. Bar 74 is the first break of this channel, so that kind of creates a second leg vibe. Bar 75 is a good breakout, bull flag, second leg, and it breaks out above 76. Pullback in the EMA. I think bears get trapped here, looking for a leg 1, leg 2 move. However, leg 1, pullback leg 2. Haven't whipped this tool out in a long time, but let's check it out. Look, see, so it was already met. And if we go like this, let's see if we can wick down. Yeah, so leg 1, leg 2 is met. Bar 76 breaks out above the EMA, and we break above bar 67's high, so that is not good for the bears because they don't want to see that open. Or, I mean, they didn't want to see that closed. 78 is follow through. 79, 80, 81 we close at the open. Signature, range bound, price action, vacuuming back into the open of the day. So yeah, that's that. That's the bar analysis. Hope you guys are enjoying these. Where are we in the market cycle? It's a breakout, channel, range. When we range, that means the market cycle is resetting, and when we break out, that is like the on button. The market cycle has reset on the breakout. The range is the end of the market cycle, so I shouldn't say necessarily. The market cycle is a cycle, right? So cycles don't stop. So I said it's resetting in the range. It's resetting, but the reset is when the breakout. When a breakout happens, that's a reset. Breakouts are the most single-handedly important concept to understand in day trading. So if you guys study something, please study breakouts. This is a breakout. A reversal is a breakout. This bar broke out. This bar tried to reverse. It failed. So that's a failed reversal. Bar 5 broke out below the EMA and failed. Bar 7 broke out above bar 6. You guys see, it's important. So thank you for hitting the follow button. Thank you for watching these every day. I dropped them at 3 p.m. I'm going to keep doing the barber bar analysis. Hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later.